Hey, I'm Link from SS Brewtech and I'm here today with our sample coil. I just want to show off how this kind of works. This is designed to mimic the line resistance of an average short draw draft system and helps ensure a more accurate carbonation sample when pulling a sample from our pressurized tanks like our bright tanks and unit tanks. I've got a batch of blueberry milkshake IPA currently carbonating here in my unit tank, and it's about time to pull a sample. First we're going to pull a sample without the coil, just to see how that goes. Then I'll install the coil, pull the sample through it, and we'll compare the difference between the two. I do have this tank pressurized to 15 psi currently, so it might be a little messy coming out of here. As you can see, pours pretty much just foam. It's not exactly great or helpful for taking a good carbonation sample. All right, now we have the sample coil installed. Let's see how that goes. So that's a pretty good looking sample. We can definitely get a pretty good idea of how it's coming along. Check out ssbrewtech.com for more details on the sample coil and to order one of your own. Cheers!